Let's go on to page 22. Now here on page 22, we have our first word. It's coast. 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 And remember what the coast is? The coast is where the land goes along where the water comes. So it's the place where the land meets the water, especially when we're talking about the sea or the ocean. There's only one picture here that shows the sea and the ocean. It's this one all the way over here. So that is the coast. And you remember what these words are, don't you? They were on the last page. So they're yellow dust and mass. Do we need to write down these words? Nope, because we already wrote them down. Now, here's number 2. Number 2 says humid. 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 What was humid? Let's see. Humid when it was really hot and it felt like there was lots of water in the air. It was pushing down on me. It was so hot because it was going to rain a lot that day. Well, this one does show an umbrella and there is rain. But is this the best one for humid? I don't think so. And I know it's not this one. This one is coast. We just did it. But what's happening here? They're turning water into a gas. It's steam. And that steam goes all into the air and it just sits there. So it must be humid. Humid. Then what was this picture with all these umbrellas in the rain? Well, is there only one umbrella? It looks like there's lots and lots of people holding umbrellas. It looks like it's been raining for many days. And when does it rain for many days? It rains for many days in monsoon season. Monsoon. Monsoon. Can you spell on, mon, soon, soon? Okay, let's check. There we go. On, oon. On, oon. Monsoon. Monsoon. Okay, here we go. Number 3. Number 3 says, explain. Explain. Do you know which picture shows us explain? Well, just like I'm explaining the words to you, we can see here the mom or the teacher is explaining something to the little girl. So here is explain. But what was this picture? He looks really cold. He's so cold that because everything is turning to ice, so it must be, how do you feel? You feel like it's freezing. Freezing. How do we spell ing? Ing. Well, beginning fur is fr and then e and then ing. Take a look. Here we go. Fr, e, and then z, and then ing is always easy. Ing, freeze, ing. And what was this one? It's where, but we already wrote it down, so we don't need to do it again. Here's number 4. It says hurricane. Hurricane. Do you remember which of these pictures shows us a hurricane? It's the one where a storm comes down and it rains so hard and the winds blow so hot, so violently that it can break houses and things like that. So is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? Well, we know this one is freezing, so it's not that. And, well, it looks like a storm because there's lots of snow and lots of wind, but what's the better picture? It's this one where the clouds are swirling together because of the cold air and the hot air meeting. So this is a hurricane. Now, we already wrote down freezing, but what is this one? It's a blizzard. That's right. Did you say blizzard? How do we spell blizzard? Bull. Bull is. Bull is zard. Bull is zard. Blizzard. try? Let's check it right now. There we go. Bull is BL, and then is, instead of IS, we have IZ, and then Zard, ZARD, Blizz, Zard. Okay, last one for this page, and here we have the word out, drought. And you know what a drought is now, don't you? Yes, you do. It's when there's no rain for a long time and it's really hot and the ground gets really dry and it starts to break. Oh, and there's only one picture that shows that. It's this one here in the middle. It says it's a drought. Drought. Now, we already wrote down this word. What was it? It's blizzard. And here we have this word to write. What is that? No, we didn't. No, wait, we wrote it down already. What was it? It's a flood. Flood. Okay, now it's time to go on to our last page.